Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're here at Holliers Park, situated here on the Isle of Wight. Now, why am I doing it at Holliers Park? It's an antique and sort of artisans, crafts, food sort of retail park here on the island, where you come here, you can enjoy just walking around the various shops, or you can go into the bus stop cafe. But I'm here for one specific reason, and just poking through the trees behind me there, you can see they have something very, very special here. So join me and I'll quickly show you around what they have. So yeah, situated in Holliers Park here, they do have an old 1938 coaching stock that used to run on the Island line. Now, it has been rescued lovingly and it is due to be preserved, and it is going to be given a former lease of life, which I will talk through now. In 2022, these former London Underground carriages that ran on the Island line are due to be turned into a cafe and museum. The carriages built in 1938 were replaced by refurbished Class 484 Viva rail trains in late 2021. Island Retailer Park, Holliers Park, have submitted a planning application to convert them to the site at Branstone, which now the council have granted. The vehicles forming 483004 are sitting on a short section of track and have been stripped of their external paint and are being restored to their original London Transport red. Holliers states it's going to create a 24-seat cafe with a small museum. Internal features such as brass plates would be retained as far as physically possible. The museum will be dedicated to the island's transport history, and a statement has said it will be open for pre-booked evening meals as seen in the kitchen plans submitted for the unit. The 483004 first ran on the island in 1989, ferrying over 1.5 million passengers in a year from Ryde Pierhead all the way down to Shanklin for well over 30 years. It's nice to see these units get a second lease of life and will still be around and a part of the island's heritage for years to come. So yeah, in terms of the car set itself, it's a two-car set, and like I said, it's 1938 stock, and they are 004 cars. Now, like I say, they have been preserved here and they've been brought to Holliers Park. Now, the idea is for them to get turned into a restaurant slash museum somewhere down the line. But like I say, it's privately owned now. Someone, like I said, took it on their hands to rescue one of these units. The only other one that I'm aware of is based in Haven Street in their train story collection. But like I say, they do have really, really big plans for these units. Yeah, really short and sweet little trip here to Holliers Park just to see these 004 cars, 1938 stock. Really nice that they've preserved. Another unit has been preserved, really nice. They did so many years of service on the Island line. Everyone remembers them fondly. They were sort of a bit of a tourist attraction on the island themselves. Really nice that another car is preserved here. You can actually get a little bit of merchandise here. I got a Holliers Park and Hale Common 004 car pin badge, and it says Holliers Park, your next stop, happy retirement. I'll get a close-up shot of it now. it does seem like they've got really big plans for these units. Like I said, museum, restaurant / cafe. You have got the bus stop cafe there with an old Southern Vectis unit there as well, that you can obviously go and sit on the bus, but now you can have an option between the train and a bus. I know which I prefer. Yeah, short little update. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.